Good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. Let's start the next topic of chapter number 14. That is, can you find the error? Correct. So, what do you mean by this topic? So, in this type of in this topic, the question is given in the exam, and you have to find the errors. Correct, from the questions. Suppose take a first example. Ki one student's name is Simran. Correct. So I am giving the questions to Simran that 3x plus x plus 5x is equal to 72, and I say that ki please find the value of x, and she is doing the sum like this. Therefore 8x is equal to 72, therefore x is equal to 72 by 8, therefore x is equal to 9. So student, is it correct? No, correct, because she don't add this x in this question. Correct. So there is a mistake. So this called error of this question. So you need to find first error and then recorrect it. So how can we recorrect it? So we solve here 3x plus x, 4x plus 5x is equal to, therefore 9x is equal to 72, and therefore x is equal to 72 upon 9, x is equal to 8. So correct answer is 8. So we look first error and then resolve the problem and correct it. Correct. This is the way to find errors. This is the first task. Now let's see some more examples and some few types of examples, that is different errors in this question. Let's next question like this. If in the question they say that put the value of x is equal to -3 in the algebraic equation like 5x, and the solution in the question is equal to 2. So we need to check it is a correct or not. Correct. So let's check. So first we write LHS is equal to 5x. Now what is the value given in this question of x? That is -3. So put -3. This is a multiplication sign. So the answer is, first we solve sign, that is plus minus minus, then product of this 5 and 3, that is 15. So correct answer is -15. In the question is 2 is given. So that is error in the answer. So we can write here, hence correct statement 5x is equal to -15. So that is an error in the RHS, and we recorrect it and we write correct statement. We have to solve the problem in the question like this. Now next sum, 3 into x minus 4 is equal to 3x minus 4. Sorry. Let's check it is correct or not. So what we do first, always take LHS first. LHS is equal to 3 into x minus 4. So we all know this 3 multiply with x as well as 4. So first 3 multiply x, that is 3x, then plus minus minus 4 is 12. So the correct answer is 3x minus 12. Let's compare with this RHS. So there is 3x, so here also 3x, that is minus 12, but here written is minus 4. That means here is the error. So we recorrect it. So what you write? Okay, so correct statement, matlab C dot S means correct statement, that is 3 into x minus 4 is equal to sorry, 3x minus 12. Correct, students? So you have to solve like this. Now move on the next few other types of questions. Two x 2, so answer is 2x square. Let's check it is correct or not. So first what we do, take a LHS. So in exponent and power we know the power is given in the bracket for to the both term. So answer is 2 square into x square, that is 4 into x square. That is your answer. But in the RHS, that is x square. Yes, x square is right, but there is a mistake here. The answer is 4 and here written thing is 2. So what we do, write correct statement. So correct statement, 2x square is equal to 4x square. That's your answer. Let's take another example. X plus 8 whole raised to 2 is equal to x square plus 64. Let's check it. First take LHS. X plus 8 whole square. So this is the x plus 8 whole raised to 2. So we can solve this algebraic expression by using identities. Which identity? Yes, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2b plus b square. So we solve this bracket according to this identity. So what is the answer? That is x square plus 2 multiply x into 8 plus 8 square. That means x square plus 8 to the 16x plus 64. So let's check it with the RHS. So this is x square, correct, x square, 64, but this step is missing here, correct. 16x is missing here, that is a error. So this is not a correct statement, so we correct them. So right, so correct statement, CS means what? Correct statement is equal to, or you can say implies, x plus 8 whole square is equal to x square plus 16x plus 64. That's your answer, correct. This type of questions may be asked in your exams. Let's do some more example. Next sum is x minus 5 whole square is equal to x square minus 25. Let's check it. First take LHS. X minus 5 whole square. Again we can solve this bracket by using identities. So apply the identity. X square minus 2 multiply 5 multiply x multiply 5 square, that is x square minus 10x plus 25. That's your answer. Let's check it with the RHS. x square correct. That is not minus 25, that is plus 25, and minus 10x step is remaining. So this is these two errors these are two errors. So let's recorrect it. So correct statement, x minus 5 whole square is equal to x square minus 10x plus 25. This is your answer, correct. Now move on to the next question. That is a plus 5 divided by 5 is equal to a plus 1. Let's take LHS. A plus 5 divided by 5. So students, all of you know दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन में हम क्या करेंगे, व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी सेपरेट द डिनोमिनेटर टू ईच टर्म. तो लेट्स सेपरेट द डिनोमिनेटर. तो दैट इज a अपॉन 5 प्लस 5 अपॉन 5. तो 5 अपॉन 5 इज 1, तो इज इक्वल टू a upon 5 plus 1. This is the answer. Let's compare with the question and let's take any error is there. 1 1 a, but there is a division by 5 that is missing here, so this is the, there is some error in the answer, so let's recorrect it. So correct statement implies a plus 5 upon 5 is equal to a upon 5 plus 1. This is the correct statement. So first you have to find the error and then recorrect it and write as a correct statement. Correct? So this type of questions may be asked in your exams. So let's start with the exercise number 14.4. So in exercise number 14.4, the following sums from 1 to 9, correct? Which type of question? So in the question they says that find and correct the errors in the following mathematical statements. So जो हमने अभी learn किया, that thing is apply here, and different types of sums we done with the examples. Now we are solve the problem. So let's start with the question number 1. In the question given this 4 into x minus 5 into is equal to 4x minus 5. So let's check it, there is any error in the question or not. So first we take LHS. 4 into x minus 5. We all of you know this 4 is multiply with this bracket and multiply with this 5 also. So what the answer? Is equal to 4 into x 4x minus 4 5s are 20. So let's check the error. 4x. Here is written minus 5, but correct answer is minus 20. So there is an error in this question. So we write, so correct statement implies 4 into x minus 5 is equal to 4x minus 20. Yes or no? Correct? So you have to write this type of question in your exam like this. Okay, so next start with the other question number 3. 2x plus 3y is equal to 5xy. So take LHS. 2x plus 3y. There is no common factor here, so our final answer also remaining 2x plus 3y. So we cannot write like 5x plus y. The correct answer is 2x plus 3y. So correct statement implies 2x plus 3y is equal to 2x plus 3y. This is your answer. You have to write only like this. Correct? Now move on the next question. That is question number 5. That is 5y plus 2y plus y minus 7y is equal to 0. So let's check the answer will be 0 or not. Correct? So take LHS first. Write LHS. That is 5y plus 2y plus y minus 7y is equal to, that is y is common, That's y. 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 minus 7, that is y. So final answer is y. So there is error in this question, so we can write, so correct statement implies 5y plus 2y plus y minus 7y is equal to y. Correct, this is your correct statement. Okay, so now move on the next question. Question number 9. Question number 9, that is 3x plus 2 whole square. So is equal to 3x square plus 6x plus 4. So let's check first this is any error or not. So first we take LHS, that is 3x plus 2 whole square. So to open this bracket we use our identity, that is 3x square plus 2 multiply 3x into 2 plus 2 square, that is 9x square plus 2 to the 4 3 is 12x plus 4. So there is error, here written is 3 but answer is 9. Here written is plus 6, correct answer is plus 12, 4 and it is 4. So there is error in this question, so we write, so correct statements implies 3x plus 2 whole square is equal to 9x square plus 12x plus 4. Correct? So let's move on the next question. So in the next question, that is question number 10, and they say that he substitute x is equal to minus 3 in each and every sum. Correct? So this is your question and the final answer is here. So we check that by putting the x is equal to 3 in all equations, this answer will be come or not. Correct? So I am taking B and you have to solve A and C in your homework. Correct? Question number 10 and B. So the question is that put the value of x is equal to minus 3 in the algebraic equation is, that is x square minus 5x plus 4 and answer will be minus 2. That is the given data. So let's check there is any error in this question or not. To take LHS first, that is x square minus 5x plus 4. Now we have to put the value of x is equal to minus 3 in this equation. The minus 3 whole square minus 5 into minus 3 plus 4. Minus 3 square is 9, minus minus plus 5 3 is 15 plus 4. So what will the answer? 9 plus 4, that is 13. 13 plus 15, that is 28. So correct answer is 28, but in the question given is minus 2, that means an error here. So we can correct it. So the correct statement implies x square minus 5x plus 4 is equal to 28, where x is equal to minus 3. Correct, students? I hope you understand. Okay, good. Now move on the next few more examples from exercise number 14.4. Now we solve question number 13, that is given 2a plus 3b into a minus b is equal to 2a square minus 3b square. Let's check it is correct or not. So write first LHS, 2a plus 3b into a minus b. So in चैप्टर नंबर एक्सपोनेंट एंड पावर. ठीक है, वी नो दैट कि यू टेक एनी ऑफ देम one bracket, choose one bracket and multiply this bracket, this both term a and b same. So a bracket 2a plus 3b minus b into 2a plus 3b. Students, this is similar like this कि 3 into x minus 4. So what we do, multiply 3 with the x as well as 4. So I am taking as a x. So this x is multiplied with a as well as b. Correct? Don't confuse it. So multiply a with this, this, this and this. So that is 2a square plus 3ab plus minus minus 2ab plus minus minus, that is 3b square. The final answer is 2a square plus ab minus 3b square. It means plus ab is missing in this statement. So you have to write conclusion statement, that is correct statement implies 2a plus 3b into a minus b is equal to 2a square plus ab minus 3b square. Correct? So I hope you understand how to write the final answer of this question. Correct? Now move on the next question, that is question number 15. Question number 15, that is a minus 4 into a minus 2 is equal to a square minus 8. Let's check it correct or not. LHS is equal to a minus 4 into a minus 2. So now choose one bracket. So I am choosing the bracket a minus 4. So this multiply with a as well as minus 2. Now this a will be multiplied with this. So the correct answer is a square minus 4a minus 2a plus 8. That is a square minus 6a plus 8. So there is many errors here. So we can say that, so the correct statement implies a minus 4 into a minus 2 is equal to, correct answer is a square minus 6a plus 8. Correct? This is the answer of question number 15. Now move on the question number 16. Question number 16. The question is 3x square divided by 3x square is equal to 0. Let's check it. Write with the LHS. Three x square upon 3x square. So let's separate 3 upon 3 multiply x square upon x square. So 3 cancel, answer is 1. X square cancel, 1 multiply 1 is 1. So correct answer is 1 and this question is 0. That is a error. So we can say, so correct statement 3x square upon 3x square is equal to 1. Correct, students? Very good. Now solve the last sum of this exercise. From this exercise, that is question number 20, and that is 4x plus 5 upon 4x is equal to 5. Let's check it is correct or not. So take LHS first. So we all know, separate first the 4x upon 4x plus 5 upon 4x, that is 4x cancel, that means 1 plus 5 upon 4x. This is the answer. So there is error in this question. So the correct statement is, so correct statement implies 4x plus 5 upon 4x is equal to 1 plus 5 upon 4x. That is the answer. Okay, students? So I hope you understand the exercise number 14.4. So here our chapter number 14 is completed. So I hope कि you are understand the fundamental formulas and theories that is explained in this lecture. So if please don't miss any lectures, because chapter number 14 is in 4 parts. So if anybody start with this video, तो please I request to all of you कि see first 3 lectures so you understand कि which thing is there in this chapter, correct? So in your homework, now it's time to homework time. So write down the homework. So you have to complete exercise number 14.4. Complete in your notebook. So complete the exercise number 14.4 and remaining exercise from this chapter. So in the next lecture we will start with the new chapters. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.